what if the most stylish piece in your wardrobe is something you already own, but just haven't looked at the right way yet? Today, I'm sharing 50 plus ideas for upcycling clothing. And some of these transformations are so creative that they might completely change the way you look at your closet. I found all of these ideas while scrolling Pinterest, and they are packed with inspiration for giving old, outdated, or unworn clothing a brand new life. As you watch, keep track of your favorite idea and vote for it in the comments because I'd love to see which one gets the most support. I also have a Pinterest board linked in the description where you can review these ideas, save your favorites, and find even more creative inspiration. My personal favorite is number 42, so make sure you stick around to see that one because I think it is absolutely brilliant. Once we reach 100 votes on a favorite idea, I may recreate the winning project in my own style right here on MIZ Angela Sawyer. Let's jump into these 50 plus upcycled clothing ideas and see which ones inspire you the most. One of the most fascinating things about upcycling clothing is how a few small changes can create a completely new identity for a garment. A piece of clothing may start out looking outdated, worn, or simply forgotten, but with a little imagination, it can become something entirely different. That is what makes upcycling so inspiring. Sometimes the smallest adjustments create the biggest impact. A different shape, a new detail, an unexpected combination of fabrics, or a fresh purpose can completely change how a garment is seen. When people look at clothing, they often focus on what it is right now, but creative people tend to focus on what it could become. That shift in perspective opens the door to endless possibilities. As you watch these ideas, notice how many of them begin with something ordinary and end with something that feels completely unique. In many cases, the materials have not changed much at all. What changed was the vision behind them. And speaking of vision, take a look at this next one because it shows just how powerful a simple transformation can be. Ideas like these prove that creativity often comes from seeing familiar things in unfamiliar ways. The more you practice looking for possibilities, the easier it becomes to spot them everywhere. You may find yourself looking through your own closet differently. Here comes another great example, and I love this one because the changes are surprisingly simple, while the final result feels completely different. That is the beauty of creative thinking. It does not always require more materials, more tools, or more experience. Sometimes it simply requires a willingness to experiment. Keep watching because the next idea is especially clever and demonstrates how a few thoughtful changes can completely redefine a piece of clothing. The more examples you see, the more you begin to realize that transformation is often hiding in the smallest details. Every garment has more potential than it first appears to have. Once you start noticing how small changes can completely redefine clothing, it becomes easier to understand why upcycling is about so much more than fashion. It is really about perspective. It teaches you to look beyond the current condition of something and imagine what it might become. That mindset is valuable not only in sewing, but in every creative pursuit. Instead of focusing on limitations, you begin looking for opportunities. And you are going to love this next one because it takes a very simple idea and turns it into something that feels fresh and original. The best part about upcycling is that there is no single right answer. Every person brings their own ideas, style, and creativity to the process. That means the same starting piece can inspire dozens of completely different outcomes. Here is another favorite coming up, and what makes it special is how such subtle change creates such a dramatic difference in the final look. Ideas like these remind us that innovation is often hiding in plain sight. The more willing you are to experiment, the more opportunities you discover. And do not miss the next one, because it is a fantastic example of how creativity can transform something ordinary into something memorable. Small changes have a way of adding up over time, whether in clothing, creativity, or life itself. Every adjustment teaches something new and builds confidence for the next project. If you are enjoying these ideas, make sure to like and subscribe to MIZ Angela Sawyer so you do not miss future sewing inspiration, upcycling ideas, and creative transformations. There are also tutorial videos linked below that can help you build new skills and spark even more ideas of your own. Before you go, take a look at the next idea because it is another reminder that creativity is often just a matter of seeing things differently. And when this video is over, there is a video on the screen for you to watch next, and I will see you there.